pineapple stall and strawberry stall and everything stall. And guys, look, there is an ice, so they can stay nice and cold and like hydrated. Let's go back to my trolley. And this is now I will not make a mistake. Now I will not say this is a daddy finger, this is a lady finger. But I don't think it is because it's longer than my finger. And this is cat. This is butter god. This is bitter god. This is like sweet melon. This is sweet. And this is like beans. Guys, this is like butter god, but it is another kind of, it grows in like mountains and things, and it is in Oman because Oman have mountains, and it's kind of spiky. Look, my hand is like, ouch. Guys, so these are bananas, but you know why it's banana and vegetable? Because it's a fruit. Because people cook bananas like a vegetable. Like this is red banana. These are all rock bananas, but this is red. I never seen red banana. It's so sticky. This part of it's so sticky. Guys, what is this? It is a flower. क्या मैं भूल गई. This is a banana flower, but it looks like a flower. See, it's blooming. Put it back. And this is beans. Guys, look, this is so pretty. Chili pepper. This is red, so it should go with red. These are yellow. These are orange ones, yellow ones, and red ones. Guys, come here. I've seen something strange. Come here. Guys, come here. A baby onion. And also a rose. I think this is a mushroom. Guys, this is arvi of that things like stamp or something. This looks like flower to me. And this is a garlic, not onion. Sorry, I have a mistake. And this is definitely a garlic. This is onion. Why am I saying everything wrong? I just saw it right now. These baby tomatoes. So cute. It's like the baby onion and the baby garlic. Guys, this is a chili pepper tomato. Guys, this is a coconut which has a hole in it, and it has water in it, coconut water, and it already is packed with a straw, so people can just open it and drink it directly. Holding it. I think I will hold the blue one. I like blue. Not the blue one. This is much. Hey, did I see something pink? Yes, a pink straw one. I will hold this one. This is the nicest one. I love pink, and it has pink. And this is not even heavier. This is not heavier. I think every time the coconut is heavy, but it's not even heavy. So this is Oman city salalas. It's not even heavier. It's so light. These all are organic vegetables. Guys, OMG. Look at this baby carrot. First I see baby onions, then I see baby garlic, then I see baby everything, and then I see baby tomato, and now I see baby carrot. Like first I see baby garlic, then I see baby onion, then I see baby tomato, then I see baby carrot. Baby carrot. Look, baby carrot. So cute. I say everything baby today. Guys, I never seen a yellow tomato. It's really cold. Guys, these are organic mushrooms. And guys, look, I found the flowers again. These are all organic mushrooms. And guys, it's very cold. These are herbs. That's why, guys, is this mama. I know you see everything interesting today, but I never see this. A baby orange. Look at this big jumbo orange, and look at this small orange. Like this is daddy, this is a daughter, and this is mommy, and this is the sister. Guys, this peach is really soft. So baby peach. This is not peach. This is not soft at all. Well, look at this. This is the red plum. This is red plum, like plumber. And baby pear. This is Indian bear. Bear? What? This is really weird. Indian bear. These all are pears and apples. These all are different apples. This is green apple.